Hi, my name is Nyanmix and welcome to my video. It's so long since I felt transcended. Oh yes, I have transcended. Better than any normal human. In those moments I have come to terms with the truth. I have accepted what once I thought was nonsense. I believe the earth is flat.
Did you know that there is no real true photo of the Earth from space? We're taught that these images are, but even NASA themselves openly admit that all these images are done in Photoshop. They are composite computer-generated images.
You might think I'm crazy, but it only shows you consciously blocking the truth. You don't want to believe because people will call you crazy. Listen, my child, after watching this video, you will change your mind. In this video, I will challenge your understanding and belief. I will break you from your years of brainwash by the government and change you to our side, Flat Earth Society. I will show you why the earth is flat. Sight, better known as perspective. Common flat earther suggests pictures taken from high above the earth with a flat horizon prove the earth is flat. That is dumb. Based on this picture, you can clearly see building's lower part is invisible, which prove the earth is round, but that's what people who is brainwashed believe. This picture is actually proof the earth is flat. The reason why you can't see the lower part of the building is because it's on the lower part of the land. The earth is flat, but don't forget lands are not flat. This is not Minecraft. Land has high and low ground. A pear-shaped argument. This argument is used often by common flat earthers to claim the scientific community is lying. Neil deGrasse Tyson, one of the men of science, said,
"Does at the poles." So it's not actually a sphere, it's oblate. And officially it's an oblate spheroid. That's what we call it. But not only that, it's slightly wider below the equator than above the equator.
A little chubbier.
A little chubbier.
Yeah.
Chubby's a good way. It's like pear-shaped.
Yeah.
So it turns out the pear-shapedness is bigger than the height of Mount Everest above sea level.
in reality, Neil Tyson is just trolling with the commoners of Flat Earth Society. Anybody that spent enough time in the internet knows that even Neil deGrasse Tyson trolls sometimes, like this one. Round we go, but never go up. This is a fairly short one. So why don't river flow uphill? This is a common question asked by flat earthers commoners. Even I don't understand what kind of question is that. You don't believe gravity exists or something? Speaking of gravity, can gravity be real? Gravity is real. Anybody can prove that. This is one of the things that annoys me about flat earth commoners. Only us transcended flat earthers believe gravity is real in the flat earth community. The reason why we're not floating right now is because of gravity. Here's the thing, gravity doesn't come from the earth's core. It doesn't even exist. It comes from below the earth. It keeps us from floating away the earth. Antarctica travel ban. Many flat earth commoners believe it's banned to travel to Antarctica. Actually, no, you can go to Antarctica. Travel is not banned to Antarctica, and there are commercial cruise ships that travels there. And people travel by land across Antarctica surprisingly frequently. But here's the thing. Are you sure where you're going is Antarctica? To you, Antarctica is just full on snowy places. But you can be brought to any snowy places on the earth. Next time you're traveling to Antarctica, ask yourself, are you sure you're going to Antarctica? So does the Earth move? Of course the Earth is moving. It's pretty impossible to have a day and night cycle without the Earth rotating. Yes, it does move around the Sun. The reason why the Sun and Moon looks round for us, it's because it is round. Its surface is facing our direction. Both sides of the Sun is burning because gravity is holding those gas from leaking. Earth is the only planet that is horizontal in our solar system. Because of gravity, no planet can drop or leak their content. Most lazy claim ever. One particular claim is that long-duration star trail photographs do not show any movement of the stars other than that caused by the Earth's rotation. The flat Earth commoners' reasoning being that if the Earth is moving so fast around the Sun, the stars should appear smudged. This claim is symptomatic of all flat earther false assumptions about the distance between us and celestial objects, or their inability or lack of willingness to perform basic math. This can be explained within the Earth. For example, commercial airplane. Have you ever been in a moving car and saw airplane flying the opposite of where you're going, and it seems to you the plane is just up in the air and not moving at all?
As you can see, that's just spooky, man. What is that? A time shift that we're witnessing? I mean, like, I don't see any trees blowing from excessive wind. I mean, there could be more wind up there.
It's the same thing as stars, but light years away. If you're still here, why not click the like button and subscribe? Let me know in the comments below if you are transcended. If you have any argument, let me know in the comments below too. Back to the video. If you pay close attention to the points I have given, you can see what I'm trying to say here. I will let you know right now. These points are acronyms. If you take the first letter from every point, it will show you the way. That I'm just kidding about this video. I'm just being sarcastic, okay? Don't take this video seriously. None of it is serious. Subscribe to my channel if you want more something like this. My next video is probably about feminazis. Thank you for watching and see you guys again. And next out.